This is a review on the 70-inch Monte Carlo Maverick ceiling fan. It's one of the best fans you can buy on the market today because it's an Energy Star, produces a lot of air, and looks good in any room. I got this fan about a year ago off Home Depot's website as a special order. So before this fan was here, there was a Casablanca Four Seasons. And you may ask, why replace of Four Seasons for this? Well, for starters, that was a filler series Four Seasons. That was white. It wasn't like a vintage one. Speaking of the Four Season, so never mind. Here is the first speed, and here's the remote. There we go. Second. Here's a light. Third. So, I think if you just saw, like, the light here is, like, different from the other switches. And that's because there used to be a wall switch for the Four Seasons before this. And once we tried like powering the Maverick with that, since it was an AC switch, Maverick didn't like that. And it made a lot of like cracking and other weird sounds. So we replaced that wall switch with that. The fourth speed. Here's 5. And here's speed 6. And also, don't be skeptical of Monte Carlo ceiling fans. Because I've heard a lot of people say, should I buy one? Are they any good? Well, yes, they're good. This is one of the best fans on the market. Okay? I don't need that from you guys. So, and even though this might not spin very quickly, it produces a lot of air. So here's a fan. And I believe that's just gonna be it for this video, so. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back with a review on my 84-inch big ass fans haiku that I have in my living room, so see ya.